Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm Rovina. If you caught my last video, you'll know we had prepared Moode, and today we are continuing this culinary journey with a Konkani special Gassi, an ideal accompaniment with those Moodes. I have already soaked and sprouted 1 cup of green gram and also have chopped 1 cup of potatoes. Potatoes and green gram make a good combination for preparing Gassi. You can also try tender jackfruit, breadfruit, yam, chickpeas for preparing the same recipe. I will add some water and let the potatoes and green gram cook. Sprinkle some salt to taste. Trust me, this Gassi comes out so delicious that you will crave for more. So watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out on any process. Now let's check if the green gram and potatoes are cooked. The green gram is cooked. Now I'll check the potato. Yes, both are cooked. Now I'll just close this and keep aside. Let's prepare the masala for the Gassi. Heat up some oil. Add 6 red chilies. I added 3 Badigi chilies and 3 Ramnad chilies. Badigi chilies are less spicy and Ramnad chilies are more spicy. So you can add any kind of chilies. Fry the chilies until they are nice and fragrant. Keep them aside. Next, it's time for some coriander and urad dal to take a dip in the hot oil until they are beautifully browned. Here I am taking 2 teaspoons of coriander and 2 teaspoons of urad dal. Continue frying till they are browned. Please do like, follow and subscribe my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Once the ingredients are fried, into the mixer grinder goes 1½ cup of coconut, fried chilies, a marble sized piece of tamarind and a small piece of turmeric, all blended into a smooth paste. Once your masala paste is ready, add the fried coriander and the urad dal and just pulse it 2 to 3 times to combine everything. This process gives a wonderful aroma to this dish. Now back to our green gram and potato mixture. Add the masala and let it all simmer until the curry reaches a delightful boil. Please go through the description box for a complete recipe and details about this dish. Also, please find the link for the Konkani recipe in the description box. Now let's give a final touch to this dish by preparing our tempering. In a tempering pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. When the mustard starts to splutter, add a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and immediately add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Pour the sizzling tempering into our Gassi to give a final touch of flavor to our dish. Serve this Gassi as a side dish or a dip alongside your Moode, idli, dosa or even with some steamed rice. And here's a pro tip, crush some papad and mix it to experience something different. Trust me, it's divine. Stay tuned for more delicious videos coming up soon. Let's savor every bite together. I wish you bon appetit. Thank you for watching my video.